AMP coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video again I'm talking about AMP price update. What's the price changes occur in the AMP coin? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update video, guys. The right now price of AMP coin is about 0.051407 USD dollar. That is the right now price of AMP coin. And guys, furthermore, if we talk about the changes update, so now the last 1 hour update is about negative 1.2%. Last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the AMP coin is positive, guys. So obviously the price start pumping from a long time. And guys, I believe that for a long time AMP will continue this kind of move. You can see here, but remember guys, also you can see here now from this point the price of AMP pump. You can see here again the price of AMP dump for a short time, guys. So a lot of people doing a very huge mistake between the short time, I mean temporary falls. When they see this kind of fall, so they decide to sell, but they don't know that after falls there is again jump. So guys, don't decide to sell due to loss, guys. Anyways, what is your opinion about AMP? Also share in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.